Back. So today we're going to be doing a double glazed honey cure ham, spiral cut with our honey hog from Meat Church. My name is Arjun and this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so here you have it. So this is kind of ham that we bought. I bought this at Walmart. You can find them at Albertsons, Safeway, Fred Meyer's. They all kind of have the same type of ham, spiral cut. This ham is already pre-cooked. So the majority of the hams that you're going to find are going to be already pre-cooked. So all we're going to do is we're going to put it in the smoker to add some of that smoke flavor to it. So the internal temp that you have to go by this is about 140. So I figured I use the honey hog for this ham because I think it's going to be perfect. This is already a honey cure ham. Adding the honey rub is going to make it a perfect combination. So this ham, some people are going to use some kind of binder. Some people like to use binders. So since it's already moist, I figure I can just go ahead and add the rub and we should be good. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some rub just to add a little bit of that flavor to it. If you guys haven't tried this honey hog, it's perfect for pork. It gives it just a little bit of sweetness on it. You can see it. It's all over this. And I cannot wait to try this because I think honey hog with this is a perfect combination. So this is their glaze packet. There's two kinds. I know one of them you have to cook. You have to make it in a pan. This one, it just says pretty much to sprinkle it, and I guess it melts and it glazes by itself. So this is what we're going to use to glaze it. So I'm going to put this on our Z grill at 275 degrees. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. Once the internal temperature hits 140, because it's already pre-cooked, you're just warming it up. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Z grill. All right, it's 275. Go ahead and add this in here. And we'll be back in 1 hour to check it. All right, it's been 1 hour. Let's see how it's looking. Back in an hour to add our glaze. All right, it's been 2 hours. Look how nice it looks. Let's go ahead and add this honey glaze to it. So there was two ways of doing it. You sprinkle the glaze or you add water, and that's what I did. So I just added some water. Now we get to sprinkle this. We'll be back in another 30 minutes. Should be done. All right, it's been there for 2 hours and a half, and it's ready. All right, so here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so let's give it a try. But remember, I forgot to say that this was a 13-pound ham. Now, if your ham is a little bit bigger, it's going to take a little bit longer. If your ham's a little bit smaller, it's going to take a little bit faster to cook. So always remember that when you're doing your ham. This was 13 pounds, almost 13 and a half pounds, and it took 2.5 hours. So always remember that. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. It should just come, a little piece should just come off right here like this. Look at that. Oh, it's nice and sticky of the glaze. Whew. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at this little more crispy here. Oh man. Oh my God, it's so good. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys subscribe for more future videos that are coming out. I still got I'm thinking of doing a turkey breast. I've seen a couple videos. I love the turkey breast, so I figured do the breast instead of a whole turkey. The only thing I eat is the breast, so might as well do a turkey breast. Should be coming soon. For now, we did this ham. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.